60 seconds and you'll learn everything you need to know about this dog door. If you want to give your dog more freedom without sacrificing insulation or security in your home, this pet door has a few upgrades that make it stand out from basic flap doors. This is the MIAOTONG 3-flap medium dog door designed for pets up to about 40 pounds. And the biggest feature here is a triple flap insulated design. Most standard pet doors use one flap, but this system uses multiple insulated flaps to help reduce heat loss, drafts, and outside air entering the home. That can make a noticeable difference during both hot summer months and colder winter months. The door also includes magnetic seals built into the flap system. When your pet passes through, the flaps automatically close back into place and help block rain, wind, insects, and outside air from getting inside. Another thing I like is the build quality. The frame uses a durable steel construction rather than thin plastic, giving it a much sturdier feel for long-term use. And unlike some pet doors that can rust over time, this model is designed for all-weather durability. For added security, it also includes a metal sliding lock panel, so when you want to fully secure the opening overnight, during travel, or when your pet shouldn't go outside, you can slide the panel into place and completely block access. Installation is also designed to be pretty straightforward because the unit comes mostly pre-assembled. You simply follow the included template and instructions for mounting into the door. If you want a pet door that's more energy efficient, more secure, and built more heavily than basic single flap models, this one is clearly designed with insulation and durability in mind. Triple flap insulation, strong steel frame, and easier freedom for your pet.